Introducing Fiximers Adjustable Angle Bracket, the perfect solution for metal spindles. Designed to fit square spindles measuring 12.5mm, this bracket is built for strength and precision. This bracket is a perfect solution for your ungrooved hand and base rails. Crafted from double aluminium alloy, it features a slick black powdered coating with a matte finish, combining both style and functionality. The bracket comes with screws included, making installation quick and easy. With its adjustable design, you can easily find the perfect angle for a wide range of applications, giving you the flexibility to complete your projects with ease. Fiximers Angle Bracket's precision, durability and style is one simple solution for your ungrooved hand and base rails.
Fiximer is the UK supplier in staircase renovation components. We take immense pride in delivering the highest quality products with swift, secure delivery and payment. Our responsive and friendly customer service team is always ready to assist you every step of your journey. With our extensive range of staircase components in stock, you can start planning your future renovation. So why wait? Renovate.